This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly, slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Undo the 4 retaining bolts and lift away the air filter cover. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt or debris from the filter housing. Insert the new element into the filter housing, then refit the cover and secure it with the retaining bolts. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.